Now let's do uppercase. Okay, start with an A. Go up, down, and a crossbar. Like that. So with uppercase, I like to extend the center line slightly higher, like half a square. So this is my baseline, that's my X height, and my center line right here. Also, I can have my center line right here. Okay, but it's really up to you, whichever size you prefer that is comfortable for your hand. Okay, so let's do B. With B, you can start with an entrance stroke, and then a downstroke, and then oval. I like to extend the oval past the downstroke here, and then you can release and then continue with another oval like that. Okay, let me break it down. Start with an entrance stroke, and then downstroke, oval, or half oval I should say, and then another oval, and then extend. Okay, so that's 4 strokes. So let me do that one more time. Entrance stroke, downstroke, oval, another oval, and then the tail. There you go, that's a B.